Imagine a world where robots write our stories, where algorithms craft characters, dialogue, and plot twists that keep us on the edge of our seats. This is not science fiction, but the emerging reality of artificial intelligence in Hollywood. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's quietly making its way onto our screens, changing how movies are made. The film industry, known for its creativity and reliance on human ingenuity, is now embracing the power of AI. From generating script ideas to crafting entire screenplays, AI is becoming a valuable tool for filmmakers. But what does this mean for the future of storytelling? Will robots replace human writers altogether? AI scriptwriting relies on complex algorithms and vast databases of information. These algorithms learn patterns, structures, and successful storytelling techniques. The AI then generates new stories based on parameters set by humans. For example, a romantic comedy set in Paris or a sci-fi thriller with a female lead. The AI identifies common themes and tropes to create unique narratives.
The rise of AI scriptwriting raises the question: can machines replace human creativity? Human screenwriters bring a lifetime of experiences and emotions to their work. They create characters and stories that resonate deeply with audiences.
AI lacks this lived experience. It can mimic emotions but cannot truly feel them.
AI advocates argue machines bring their own strengths. AI can analyze vast data and identify patterns humans might miss.
The potential benefits of AI scriptwriting are numerous. AI can generate scripts faster, reducing production time and costs.
AI helps test different script versions, optimizing stories for impact. It personalizes scripts for different cultures, making movies more relatable globally.
However, these benefits come with a caveat. AI should enhance, not replace, human creativity.
The rise of AI in Hollywood has sparked both excitement and fear. Some see it as a revolutionary tool that will democratize filmmaking and usher in a new era of storytelling. Others fear that it will lead to job losses and a devaluation of human creativity.
Will robots eventually replace screenwriters altogether? The reality is likely to be more nuanced. While AI can automate certain aspects of script writing, it is unlikely to fully replace human writers in the foreseeable future. Human creativity, with its ability to tap into the complex